49
0241 36
73
49 and also a safre and 0277 001 234 ofra betimi anya ya say
ala sharafi yakopon ya safo doctor ebede wasipa na efuto yo mami ko asiofia na me di nkomo bi wo ho na residents no wo ho no chese yes abrante no onye harmful kra Prince ozo cha me moache. Hello Prince.
Yes ba mumwa na etimi nko so yema yesra mo.
Hello Prince.
Hello.
To say
le ba cha adumo.
Enfoni amode abre ya yedi hu nkomo yi. Me producer say mo say abrante no onye obi o ha adwen. Na wontimi ni obi awu. Sana etie.
Abrante on nya wono afoto.
What's in your no plan at it?
Omo nsa ele wo.
Omo ya say.
Omo ya mi nsa ele wo.
Obi akuta sekan na.
Ebi nkita sekan the Jesus. Ba ko a wo kan Abrante small boy. Okita Jesus. That man na wa Jesus no. You almost almost I'm about why news site on the top. I told you that's not that for any other. And I'm also to make what or on a later. Now, we want to move woman. What would you want to your foot? And you want the incumbent as I try to require for you.
Now, so Mabusian phone himself, imagine Yesa.
But your money,
and over your money.
And over your money. And the yesterday, won't come in my more hammer and power. Yes,
okay, Medawasi. Fuzeni, this is a big social issue.
I believe say DC need TMA. We enye Ade Akye say yema Ade Akye so because even the district security architecture we were in danger the population. One na dwenumu enshedan na ho enti ono a okono he is moved by the triggers in his mind
and if you baby ankwala ni
what you enti ogina wo sesi ano bibi adwene trigger say there is danger of to say
also girl no kra hu no
o say ogina won so no onye stable there are things never going on enti o say o ho ana ne nsa na aka no enti o no ato ne nsa
the first one no we oto ne nsa
very good
wo le hwe we
so hu
de o le hwe oto ne nsa o le de make kan we de ya o hwedi oto ne nsa bi e wo ho no ma ha ya to ne nsa bi to say
so on say he's being controlled by some nervous system be one the body I didn't trigger on adwuma na move body no because now no lose consciousness
and he's lost control of himself.
Your friend be so cognition will lose cognition so
that's right
enti no I didn't know why na trigger na say move no say to nsa we are not to enti say the man move no nsa left no senke ko trigger right na ko beto se kan no so who said identity
yes
e ko trigger right na ko beto se kan no enye say ono na hyeda so odi ewu bemom na adwemu coordination na e wo ho no de be ye no na
and the crown cross obeye wi onim so aye o
that is it o kan say nansenya boda ni bi ku abranti bi wa ayi circle
yeah
abo e de bo ebo na aku no before ankrofo be hu no aku no enti we no before ye be hu say obeye bibi no aye deda enti we na just o mu disarm immediately
and also say omo ye miensa ba ku so say new road bi on the apaso
David
we ya no atwe apaso no
said ayi betise na o say ayi or they say unit committee for yes immediately I just say unit committee for assemblyman or wo even nananom kra just because bodam need there and just okuta any offensive weapon aba se kan
even pen cry
saniema etimi di
brand da
you can say bodam ni ekura na
kotokro da ne kwachi da
no it's
obi atwam to say the omo fa ho
very dangerous It's very, very dangerous.
Yes, back also the Ottawa, a man, a twash and so.
I don't say just so much channel.
Guy, they say, I also say, these 3 people, their families are in the town.
So this
and they know
committee for you match the families ahead to go and disarm him.
Yes.
So my you many match your mono and can go disarm no. Because man disarm na obetime di boni at any time.
So chairman dey who answer.
Na make say we onam ho nye sebe yen coordination na wo ya adwene mu. Yen bi na nam wo ne de na ate. Nti e wo ho na we akọ wires na ase wires no sorry say me use wires. E wo ho na we akọ ka we na atija nti atija. Na touch. De ode beye na ode beye. Nti e continue say on to right na se kan kura na obetu sisi a.
About some few minutes na
danka.
That is it.
Nti say no man to say bibi shout to say sha konfu. E show house ahomanu ya so me na no anu hu. Na sabre no de obeji wo no.
O say the year no man to ni sa left no. Sa de ne ye ne say enko right. Ka right no obetu.
Say ba ne ha no man kan kwala no tia ho no chow.
So they should act immediately. Yes, I wait there. Ode obaka se ye kan obedi answer na
they say ode o wa ha but say that asante ebo ase obi hold on de ne kwa ahoma no so 12 o'clock news and I say numere an yesi ko da ni bi atwetwa obi e be he na ewe
we police for wo ho assemblyman unit committee even nananom kwa e just omo act immediately
but say no mo so de ni ofre so fa de ni kire eye achiase kwa
they should intercept him
wona mo ba china mo ni kire
de hunu kura no say ubon say wako hia obi onu su kura se kan ba
ebe ne say nipa no kura ebisa na nipa ne kwafuo mo
onu no be hu danger in the way of defending himself oba attacking nipa no
again dey
Again, no say girl no dey ni ba no.
Na we mu na koye akwala de onim de.
Na akwala de na juni kra ni ho. To wanya ke
na juni nyina bi akogina ni school bus e ba be fa na school na say ka wo pa school to wo mo gina wona. Akwala no ma juni ni so kra.
Ya be de mi hu kra ni sa akwala na aso ne sika nkuta o mu ku.
Judge traffic mu se no aba say man ka kra mfa nto aduan.
Na obobo yini mu sa na say wan fi ni so ana o mamu na o. Obi mu kra timi to o mo sa.
Akuta a security threat to me de sade we me kan film na ye starting hu Niger for nkwala nketenkete obaka bi no mienu wo girl bi ne ye tahia no amekom traffic light Aisha unse se wanyini pa wa vanish free sa area ohe oye de adwuma ehe na ote sese see number 2 atmas here
is Aisha o ka
security threat Aisha so I say oye adwuma be ote he man said we did wanyini into a free street
you pay attention to your social welfare department San Crawford no gina kwa ho stress niema nyina social welfare for na gaje so mo deal with them. Well, we complete social nuisance.
We are told a bimu business.
Yeah.
Almost said that ko fan kwala no.
Yeah.
Any omo ma me no free. Sa ho no ba be gua. Na omo to omo gu ho. Ya we dey omo doso coins na omo de ba no. Dwetri.
Kwala na jeje we
kwala na jeje no. It's how much about 5. Those times children's park. Over corner pan. It's you only and one more. Yes, Shagu Ainim. No, the still a guso. Nicolaki to one cow hono. A survivor of the fittest.
And I just said, no, more do any
Mudina no park of Benumre. Tinkolaki to be a Colabati Baby, you know, penny for the day we know my bitch now. Tomu omua we akakra yese be mo maduane tu be ko bus stop na wo you no masalai wo do de aduane be bre wo mo emu no de abesi wo no mo de wo wi ano mo sako asana nwumre enti obi ko seda ko so o mo be gua onu ipakro no ofie o
social welfare should be dealing
ipakro no ofie e dey sika mo de bre no coins no akosisa
dangerous
big time business.
San Crawford to be a year Juma as spies for criminals.
Yes, because the whole issue is say, oh no, he has nothing to lose. The here say, na no sabe kona no on uni school ho on uni hwe ho. Ti sa kwala na ensua bono e wiase no ano onyini say ya bo mabusa say ti sa kwala girl na ehunu wa amekom traffic o katwi bube no. And they all were hene no because Sabi oni mpokua ni feri aba nanim se si a wa feri wo be kwa na be ma bi na akira kwose ba bi a o bo no tofum tokum sa nkwala yi obenyini abedu pempesobia because of the weather and its hazards any the hardship of afemuno or call robbery is simple
ebi oba kra de be fa ne say ebi oba na adwene so de ne ba bi bedidi ba be ma so so e
or de sabedidi e dangerous you see sane ma we car obu on ma ho we akola we obeda ya obo no be obekum
ba ma ya akofa se mo ya badia ya mfa ntumpanifo anyi ye wo demarcations na se kuma se ba bia wo panim ohweso kurufum anaga junction amekum sam na nti omode aso ne nse ka to mo ko ho no obetima clear o mo because amekum last year no omoma nkra ne koi wo ma no masamba nti sa obomode se ka to mo ko aso pa de wo pa aso ne nse ka ho adwuma ya se bi kronkitua no e wona obetima do onko amranti ofo mo ko to mo ko mo nsa no
you so oba ofi ahwe obewia
oh no
o fa the sound ni kofi on koda e dan ko keke o I don't know also obu on ma
e de omu kofi
obu odi ni kofi so on kodo
oh no
wanya careful a wo ja no ho se wo kwaba
adoboni obedo no
odo adoboni kra de asa oda nyame ase o wia o we nyina
kemi ona we sampan on obetima clear o because crowfom traffic pabonze de damo kon ena ye ka ba ku ye bodam fo ba ku so crowfom o traffic o ya wo kwa abodu o now se wa hwe no foma ma be jam misika ai no one day giant o
Saturday kra me hu no wo free
I said obesia pio so ye
traffic light no
ada bi me see me shower na ba me jonsa me yi me da be manya esisa kakra me duru anu atensa mani bi man wensi wasi so ma se so amenyende ada
was udi hu na kai
David manya sa so anka obeso me sa
I said because udi hu so na kai
so me be ma we yes boba bia ko so me yes ma sa ye tia na sa na ko na ji boy giant pa crofo make say o mo je hu say branch me bia no pa wo digina ho say say manfo sika
crofo traffic light na
say say o man ento udo da ko be shia no
ode ko moro market na osaso de sanade akọ ayi shinola S5 hono mo no otabe digina hono mo pa
Sofia Assemblyman Kasa. Honorable Memache.
Yeah, Joe.
Now, point to say.
Young part of my mind and almost there.
Yeah, when you're power, my Bobby D, who's so body, Minimudi. Well, I'm who
you not the Osei Michael Cajon.
Honorable Michael Osei Piao, Assemblyman Sofia Mboa.
Okay.
And for Navy, Chaguye TV, so I had to check on about the danger of nipa bi if say na dwene mu kana kakra e wa Sofia station a chese branta e da ne ko ehu ya te se ba ku bi kura so de wusia na na watwe apaso ba ku su bi kura de ne e ma ne ko nsuo ma na oto atom ne o makoda wada ma we nyina aba onase
Omanhene me da se na man fachi enchiaso nkoma T4 na me krom fo nyina Omanhene no kwasem ni ye krom sabi o abodamfo wa ha na mum te se de sika da no ko mi fie sisi a na obi frɛ me na abodam ni obo ni bia me nim no ya mahu ono so ahu a obo mamane no de enye de otie no no se okuta sika na mum no mimi ni we me frɛ me unit committee for na police for no mabo mamane se said obi anadwene mu kano de bia o de ba na dwem ti se bi se asia madaro ma immediate ya me me committee for kasana ye na police for so akasa
okay we there mema o kasa nwakra anama otu no immediately no de be si wo ho no me producer be from ni agimu aye why na me kan pa Honorable Michael Sekwaku mama ni nkomo wetia na fe se ni mrana yesu ye mfansi ani wa ha de aman no dwetwa na ye dwetwe ho na bibia ekoso kama mova entry me so na bright intimi twamwa na bibia enkoso kama unyi free me so no move you me kese empo Obapa Olivia to say bibia aboko de e do ba de ase mami ti anope
Michia Metifu nyina no so etifu na newspaper review bi ana station be o say doctors number bontin say enemabunu no ewududo na obehu omo problems no na atiso omo heart problems e kwan mo fa so etena se ana so omo living na kwan mo fa so didi it was say na gone too soon na loss no ni na be heart problems and I heart no so omunnim kwankra e fa so a this problem ne ba enti na we stroke for adults papa and 25 26 ni 27 munyanya stroke ni na afri kwan e fa so edidi na no behuru ababunu bi a anadwo no ogira ho di banku bi ni ade odi ni o ma fat wom enti mo me ahwe adidi ya da bia wo bebo obi bayi enti mebunu na ese so no nka say di enyini na mrewafo no kokrafo na ewu wo hwa first na mrewafo ene kokrafo pa na ka stroke chi won ene obehu enkwala na stroke achi won because mre bi na me de aduane koma doctor bi o Central Hospital na me hu ababa wa bi a wanya stroke wo de chakata nani na me so ababa no bi so ya nurse 26 years no wanya stroke o so worry for 6 months na stroke eti enya waje se wusa enti untimi nya stroke ubetimi anya enti na da bia bo kokose didie na we future life a balanced diet enti esiesie ni pedua na ma chimakso ma ni pedua no so enti na da bia bo ho da ro se dibi na mo a enti nkasa wo maame na obeto akoma na na sa wo papa na obeto akoma no wan kasa na obeto no so dibi from 1 year to 120 years ni de ese obi di future life is esiesie ni pedua no and primary ent de hu ni se ni pedua no mu hu wo be hu na bibia say and now we say 3 days ago me Rabba bi picture but when I'm say Rabba there best ni kidney afi man we you say win so and infections no head pedua no pa chroma the infections wa Ghana ha infections wa ha me the American African kra me dem wa ha no na meka infections ikuni papa wo be hu obi osimisi ya me ya mechi me ya kidneys ni na say
my emfa I accommodate. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Patrona Mahoti say.
Yeah, who you now swear?
Everybody adore me who you.
Yeah, Frau say.
The Patra from Auntie Mary Metia so say.
Papa Mary, ding some now come for future life.
Dear, some make up a honey say. Me yari pa mami koto jo hun. Na me to say shime e mami na sinyina tatai. Na me te future life onka. E na me call honomo. Na me kwa ye no omo mame aduro ni bi na me dia ni dia ye tin ena ba ku bi so ye tafre ho ena me tie ye na me ba ye me be ko toilet sa 3 days ti me fle wo mo ka chom se kwa na me ko toilet no mo say ena ye ya de ni na eyie me si free se me 3 days ni dru ye me na no nyina twetwe mi kotodwe na ya me to ase no ni nyina rabasa
ni nyina jai rabasa
na mse we dia me ti ase ti mi ko kurom na me se me nante akọ Dubai ho mi dru Dubai ho na me se me nante akọ Bantuma dwom mi ti mi nante fie ha no mo ko Bantuma dwom esa ba Dr. Mensan and to future life for you need there wa wukutodwe bia ya o ya na se otuasi no ayi die bo modina se wo be ko sofola alignment kwanu ko tobi na nsankyirani aye no Bible say die yenim ena ya ka die ya wusu ne yedi hu adanse die me hu me ti wo me 70 years insa enti wo be biara wo ti me nka biara no wo momodene se future life di o ti ya me ti bi anya na yi krampo ti obi onya stroke me de ne ko no mo na no di e ko to adura yi bi ma no e di e ya fe di me ko hwe bra na ye se wa sole wo kokro mu se wo ko na nafofo ho no mo enu wo mo akwachi atia wo mo ei ye future life wo ye di ensankyerani wo ampa wonko tobi
mate
na yi pa
ya men ka o
ma die no no
medase entiu
yo nti wonim se enipa bia ya na ye kasa pressure cholesterol o sugar cholesterol ni nyina ya na o kidneys no e ka ho fi se kidneys ni na kuta ni pedua no eti obi wa o sa no onya infections wa hu enti infections nso o mu bebi obi wo ho asabe na se keka no obi wa na nkaboni bi wo no na nsuboni bi free no obi wa na ohu free na chi anase nani ni na ya infections enti se mo na enwu a wo ye sa treatment na enko enka ne ye nua no mema na ekuru no se wonya infection a wonya timinya prostate enlargement anase cancer so enti se mo na enwu a wo ye treatment na enya ade ebeko ena se wani no so ya na se mo na cause sa problem na se emwa na enwu a uye treatment na enko enti sa emwa we bacteria more than 25 o krom ha no ni nyina eba mu a na sa enwu a na Nyankopɔn nam yeso di ti wanwaso bi aba ekusa amwa ni nyina enti sa wo ba na sa emwa ni wu a wo bohu se why free na me abrochefo bi ba me ho na nsanchane ayama wo no omo ba na mo se na de way esi atom nkan pa maso ese na tie enti abrochefo omo be kan be se meye bi mai na omo ba de Nyankopɔn atwa omo surprise so future life aduane na kire kwan abefa so obedidi niema wudi a emwa ono na ye kire wo enye bibia keke na abetiti agu yam da bia mani won kwala no mabunu na asi no mabunu no infections ne ha wo mo ko school no fi se kwala no mo ko toilet ba ko no mu yusu we ko so pe obefa abenti obeba fie a bisa no obe free school ba bisa ne se wo hu bibi na ne ne ya na chiye ne ya na se keka no anase ne be ma no emu ye ne ya na se efon a munmu mani nkomo munmu mani nkomo fi so mo ne ye daache eti so obe bra kwala no ne be duru ba bi afi ontime nyem ontime nwo kra na afi obekasa wo ye bayifo Mummy and share your nipeduani if you say your health is your own responsibility. Obi and ho beti my amount. 7 and eku for the no be amount. It be your own doctor. Sa ubedi die. Dia na wudi komu. And you na wudi die ntina wudi so afu be ma and a wudi anasa die. Enti na future life for some mumra ase ho. Ye wa 12 apostles bi o ha ebo nipeduani pa. Wo ba be kire okwan afo so obedi di. Ni o ma wudi amwa na ade ya na se obi wo ho na se ne ho to ni wi a. No obi sa o se aduani obe sa timedi biem. Di amwa wo ne etuatua wo. Eni mepi wo ha enkoso ewe nipadua mu eme nipadua na hoden wo didi abisa ho se adua na me didi na menya afiri mu ansa na wadi momye mo eda ache ho ban ye liver ise se obi anya fatty liver obi anya kidney problem wo ha chese yare na doso dodo doctors na adwuma na ye ya nipa chese wa hwa didi me so be yare enti momye hwedie die obi wo nya sika me de koto ayi ntuma no de me ka ba adua na odi ko no mu no ha no be say emofre so and now say we nyine to say me answer no be the future life yes say doctor no me refi paper no o say de nkwala si wu no e champanyimfo me say tiefo so obi amra yaso ye ho de ha obi abra yaso ye ho na e kiro ye be kiro kwan a obefa so a obedidi infections ahodo ukotodwe ya o ya say de ma me kan a e wo TB a say wu nyina na ukotodwe ne emu ayeden na ayene katre gini nyina awe e so na kokom tima na afa ato aso sa na aso sisi eti woti o wa enane ye no boso me enane ntini ni nyina na ya sa mo aduane a ebesa build cartridge no enti momra ya so future life o da chi ntini ho ya peso obi a nyini no nya 120 years momra ya so so for alignment ya to apeti bi wo mampon ebi wo konongo ebi wo nkran ebi wo sunwane ya to apeti wo boase so bi wo nti so frɛ a ya be kire na so ma ho da bra so ne nche okwan be fa so obelidi tie me the numbers ni to 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 ba ko so 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 90 yeah, so for alignment obi amra o me ho so sisi ya small obi me am your exercise inti bra na me nchiro kwan be for so abedidi na nyini che eyie na doso ade
nyame jayen yeso so ye de nyame jaw so mfa nkodu aseye abo no ngotria palmeter dionu baako ena no pay SL Mills MPPCS constituency secretary ena the man in charge of operations and then special activities. Ono kwa ni special activities oyema and this was Rachel. Remember in charge honorable Hussein Donko, former DC Secha from place and Beju Komosisia, director of operations and special activities. We special activities crap. Oyen wo kromano. Tony Sack Electronics, the TVs, fridges, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice blenders, kettle, home theaters, and electric irons are edino your property products. No so modi enyebia. You have warranty 6 to 1 year warranty. Yes, also etete no so mau. TVs now pay up to 75-inch television cry will be all. Odo any Chelsea Karam Quanti Poma Wesley Methodist Triangle now in English any more pair. New Melcom Dan Cassiano Kumasi Dino your showroom Cassian so ever hono. And Uko Piemo Coco Board Sunyani Swa Coco Board roundabout. Yene ɛyɛ oye bus terminal di nhwɛ mu ɛna sphincter so be huye frɛ 0500309309 0500309309 abeheba ane sɛ wayɛ mmerɛ wɔ mpɛmbɛma obɛma no ayɛ mmerɛ afei fibroid ɛna afa wa wodie mu nyinaa ulcer hernia ana etwo etwere ababofra no so koko ɛna afa ni nipadua mu nyinaa obu ni nsa ensisi so ye wakote yade bone syphilis sickle cell de obia se maame abe sickle cell was maame abe away na just bibia ekoso low sperm count nkwamo anu ni ahode ebetimi anyi se wo ba gonorrhea hepatitis yade we nyina no de kodan maame abe e wota no so apatapa new side apatapa junction ha maame abe edem paibo nyamesuro ene abibidro kan a wono ana eye no wode akawa mo ade wo ho ene frɛ no 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 0506 46 0208 0506 46 0208 yeah we chicken there na BBC Boris B chicken. Now say chicken no anu suo desan say phosphorus antibiotics and vitamins and enye de ahye fridge mu akokọ na akra no sunsum ewu ye kra no oni wiase biu dabi ye wo ahodo full chicken akokọ mu a ya akokọ sre akokọ atabu ne bo ne tumpo ne sre nko ana taso akokọ ataso ne de pa buseni akokọ ataso kama say when nyina no say opele ana ope broiler enu so bi ho etu wodia ne say obefre 05 444 05 no I order door to door delivery so we are wedding engagement outdoor now per se be grill chicken mawa so chicken wings nkwa na per se grill chicken thigh full chicken just all the others are fresh 05 444 now benya bi obantuma high street here headquarters any Presbyterian nhwani wasawase market Santase roundabout unity or nhwani Poku trading Duma SG Mall top pipe Shell Body Junction Freo 05 444 Fibo Ventures yeah the Ashford products now the friend Ashford toothbrush now Ashford toothbrush is here kama papa utimi se wa otwitwire wo se ama wanumu ada ho kama utwitwire wo se wanumu da ho no na wo de after fresh herbal toothpaste eyi kakanom ne gum bleeding ne ade no wanum da ho na wa che na wudi awo se wote a wa che nka na bibia agaso we dey ama fuzeni asrewu wonya after fresh herbal toothpaste any toothbrushes na you're good to go for any chair Paul Sego Lane ewo adum na ekoho ukwa Linda ho no say me betu akoto tan say ye topa overtime de wani akire store number 2503 first floor kejetia and 2502 and also so akoto for still ho no upebi atwa ye yini mako kama obetuma tobi ho channel so 053 545263 time herbal mixture time herbal mixture malaria pa oboa ebe kosisi a udidi a won tenka eno so be free honomo na yeku anim anu no no say yaw so onim line bi bia na onya malaria say onunum bi ne ko etina je say wadru bantuma no na je say bibia ekoso kama oh malaria no ho to say na wudi adwo abagu a ekọ kama pa oh na ma onya pedua ne kotodwe ne yamade ne sa no a afi na wotekanti adwo abagu all the way no ati unya tam asra e boa pa private pass no nyama bi egugo just safo muslim yo mi wi amebe kire ombo njuma amedimo o private pass ne nyama match line nyina o ajoba go the way immune system support and general well-being na bi bia ekoso kama unya time herbal mixture capsules no unya time herbal mixture eno ano 0244 417 669 ne yɛkɔ yɛnim ano no Coco na adokro ɔgye ho baabi anye 3A Herbal Center yɛde Coco Master naba ɛyɛ 3A cold capsules 3A cold capsules ɛyi waist pains ɛtse Coco na se kra ɛsa so ma wonya constipation wonom so ɛnka bababa tutumi nom tu kwan kwa yie ɛkɔ adwuma yɛ bibia bi frɛ yɛ 0546 107 107 drugstore chemical shop pharmacy shop also per 3A cold capsules 0546 107 107 unum suo dia ne alkaline water no 8.5 pH no ni nyina ne Kangen Energic drinking water. A hydrogen rich minerals with calcium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and no pemuye den papa. Eti drinking water there. What that way I huabe yaso no musiono. A hydrative papa. A mensio jina ho che. Nes ase oko gunsios. A antioxidant here you feeling now. Our minute molecules are at bois absorption by your body cells. Enti emma wrinkles the piano color unipedia bibia kama e neutralize acidity the heartburns ne ade away bomodin denya kengen and magic drinking water Abreman UGC Tafuni Road Abaharu Junction Hope Fre 0241 449191 0241 449191 and 0507 379474 0507 379404 Provident men, you are covered. Provident Insurance Company, some country will say, yeah, promotion from now to 31st of March. You renew and insure your vehicle from Provident and you are covered. Drive the extra mile with free fuel and other gifts. Swami Hastambik, a dynamo, Yanene Wahonomo, Sana City Star, Amekum, DVLA Airport Roundabout to Soyawaho, and Asante Mampon Cooperative Transport, Ubehuyo, Stadium Road, Yene Snappy Aba Ewo Boise, Yene wa Dambakum, Sofola and so Chairman Caesar, a Honomo, and Yawo, and in Coco, so Coco Station, Fred 0200 234-806 0200 234-806 and 0501 457139 0501 457139. Okay, Fuzeni. Nana Danko Kufuado. Sona. State of the Nation's address.
Wow.
And then, and I'll come and say with your fear. No, they are continuing. I mean, him say we are most definitely. Remember the true state of the nation address.
When I said the true state in the Omanhene,
I know they are ritual. Yempo.
Gane Nibia Butum.
Gane Nibia Butum was true state.
The true state.
Now, correct me here. The former president is said to have. It's believed to have said he's going to supply Wi-Fi to all institutions. What is it? Let me get a correct one. Institutions. If I say institutions, what I mean is SHS, senior high school, and other tertiary institutions. I don't know if tertiary or more Wi-Fi.
The promise was.
But what I know is SHS here or more Wi-Fi.
We share Edu Watch. Research and we are quite recently, and this is the maybe we now address Mr. Mpianum Sudiano. Okay. Research and we are no issue say yes, yet the satellites are called some secondary schools, almost about 80% of the secondary schools in India. Almost the Wi-Fi facility. Was it one company? It was 10 million CDs projects. Is it busy internet?
Yeah, busy internet.
Very good. So, providing internet services for all secondary schools. Because near the year anticipation say, okay, I can say by last year, naka secondary school need be a man tablets.
That's right.
Good. So the internet service was supposed to, because up till now textbooks are textbooks nibi. It was supposed to be say the textbooks need a good tablet. So
I am a kai that promise. Text will say
very good. As I speak to you now, yes, as I speak to you now, Omanhene, only 15% of the secondary schools internet in the Ejuma.
15%.
15%.
About 800 and something schools.
Yes, 15% internet in the Ejuma.
How?
Satellite no boho. Internet services in the Ejuma. So it was some of those complaints, and I get it to the former president. As I speak to you now, my secondary schools they be friend so just 15% then are active and no crano secondary schools na bi and a body data no ho ka
abantua
there be secondary schools are many abre epa omu bibi no omo ankasa na yes okay sadia ya e better data
but if 15% is woefully low.
That is the point.
Not even 30%. Are you sure you're giving me the accurate?
Me say me boa edu watching so boa omo na kwa research ne say ade ne de kwa e say ye adwuma ebia me no kasa unim say ne birth set paper na omo de print na I shot the whole Ghana.
No e ka ho ye ko ho ntoko.
Yes. Into the fact that obi say my a online application for a birth certificate inti we ya na on saka na say we ya na on saka. So the fact that yes government said say may provide internet services to all secondary
it's non-existent.
It's non-existent. Omo de eyina ko bo ho a obo say yes ya be install facility a chesenka school no yenya internet service school na ngasa an fasika an kwankoto data enguso a it is not working. The facilities are there. So that is the real, and then most of the tertiary institutions in there, omana ebi every year because omo charge school for no. Oko wa former school teka, omo the belly students in it. Ubekono, there is Wi-Fi on campus. We students in Kwadia, obe access school. Yeah. So what the former president was promising is that he is going to provide internet zones to all your friend is saying tertiary institutions. And then second cycle institutions in Ghana.
Which means they will not pay.
That is it. Ntenko ye say ade no wo hodie nanso enye adwuma. No, say ye zone ni say okay, yemfa ni say Kumasi ha. Ye diama a particular telco said, listen, provide for all your friends secondary schools e wo ha. Ne your friend is a second cycle sir. It's just a matter of say telco no be mamo access code no. Nti ye nim say unya wura campus won ko ade a we a student now your mouth pin now bet me log it on.
Okay.
That is what is promising. Yes, sir, be in any case, na me de ba ye papa Kwame Pien in so no. Ghana for wouldn't have had a problem with the MPP. Say Abia obi ti say Kennedy Japan and I say Alan Martin and di MPP enim. And Omoka say they have their own vision, they have their own plans. And Omoka bibia Ghana for any problem. But Bawumia is just a puppet of Nanado. Bawumia is just a continuation of Nanado akotnefie. Na or twaso ebu ne mai through Bawumia. That is what Ghanaians are saying. Bawumia is just an extension of Nanado's third term. Said there, oyi ye ka say onyi finance minister, onyi finance minister, onyi finance minister. Odi abufuo ka say okay. Meyino nsuma promotino. That is what he did to Ghanaians. Inti Abia said there, oyi finance minister, free finance minister, or then better president say okay, I mean under kona finance minister. Now so report to Kenoforiata. What they say no, there is a finance minister who now reports to Kenoforiata at the presidency because he's the senior finance advisor to the president. It's not okoya no by. Nti yera kodwom Kwame Mpianim. Ghanaians are saying say Bawumia can never say he has his own vision, he has any plans for Ghana because Bawumia bi obeye bia no will be the continuation of Nanado. Ebia say campaign team oyi enye Nanado akontimi eyi. Running mate opeso oyi ono apani de Nanado so penny de nti bepem ne ontimi yi running mate.
Nanado na catch us all penny running.
That is what listen, Bawumia can never do anything without the blessings of the Action Mafia. He's not his own man.
Odini vision about
vision ben.
No, yeah, driver's mate na e man kwan ono so den de beba no.
Then we na mbechira say driver mate bia ye nyina yinim so na kanum akontabu ni sikasem nyina ehye ne nsa. It is an driver's mate analogy no kra de man nka biu. Because we tie yewura Kwame Mpianim kasa asema o say no. Even the vice president is in charge of internal security. The chairman of the police council.
But in Ghana today, by our laws, we don't have the vice president as the chairman of the police council.
Who is?
The laws has been amended 2000 and scrapped. Fire service, no more.
Okay.
If you read amended, just you see by convention, Unim say, Yura Atamil Sepenso, the chairman of the police council, Mire Finidi, he was not John Mahama. By amendment 2000, after Rawlings near issue, we don't have no constitution in Ghana has the vice president as the chairman of the police council. Abia by convention. But the issue is, Atame was appointing Obi as chairman of the council. That time up. So the issue of Obi Aoye, head of the economic management team.
Yeah.
Fine. But even another head of economic management team, cabinet, finance, Alan Chematin was the chair.
No, that was another body.
Yeah, but so it becomes the chairman. For when we go to cabinet, Nimu Dumpu chain. Whoever is heading the economic management team, because it becomes an advisory body.
At times, the vice president chairs cabinet.
I agree with you.
Times, the vice president chairs cabinet.
When the president is not available.
No, at times when you're available, Kurana, especially when it comes to economic matters, the vice president chairs.
It depends
because
on
the chairman of the economic management team.
It depends on leadership.
Mini problem.
So maybe you're a president. Maybe I'm a man in chair. I'll be there myself. It depends.
Nyamani bi oha Omanhene. Ye nyina nim said there is the law. Ye nim dia so ye dey ahye for convention. And ye nim dia ye nyina ye dey practice. As I speak to you right now in Ghana, the chairman of the police council is Sia Baumia. Ye appointing any other different person. Yes, there were issues, especially during Rawlings Akar time. So we sought to cure that particular mischief by trying to say it wouldn't be automatic. But after that, President Kufuor it was automatic. Aliu Mahama was in charge of the police council. Yera Tamils it was automatic. But then
that's what I'm saying, sir. President decided to no be choose Obi as police council on for me. Yeah, but by convention, it has been the procedure and it has been what we are doing.
That is why Ene say appointee Obi as IGP. It is done in consultation with the vice president.
That's right.
Because he is saying, okay, ACP Agozo. Nasemo Nyabebre now was because he brought this exposure to the public. Police and then he gave us the structure. So listen, you can't have this structure and expect us to be independent. And no can't be na so the meme kakosi nyina say ye rampi anime enka ye Canada Japan and e ka kire Ghana for say ono on a vision or on a planner, people would have believed him. Because he in second Japan, even on one kasa na ba mu kura no, when things are not right, he says it. Ultimately, but Mahmoud Bawumia there, he is just a puppet of the Akufo-Addo family. Only the Koliko,
and being harsh. Oh, Koliko say.
Yeah, he's a puppet. Koliko, puppet. No, we all know he's a puppet. Because one, Gabi Ochidakume who said, "Omo family no enede Bawumia." The president supports him, and the family also supports him. So all those people around the presidency are making sure say Bawumia will be elected the flag bearer of the MPP. It's because they want to continue the Akufo-Addo dynasty.
Really?
That is it. That is all. Breaking the eight is just about breaking the eight for Nanado and his family to still be in charge. Said the Beya, Yanko Bisa Kanofuriata, Akuntabu Bia, said the Yanko Bisa Asante Bedia to let us be a church, said the Yanko Bisa, a road minister, Adentina, Bepumene, Odasu dig Ghana Foka, 15 billion Ghana cedis, Ghana contractors. Now, when Omaya won't share contractors, Sikabeda ba Omainum. Because when you pay one contractor, cement dealer, Ojinisika, iron rods dealer, Ojinisika, carpenters, Geomusika, steel benders, Geomusika, Omunina Sujia, Sebi, and Numere. Joint here. Now, won't your mocha, no musun tia laborers, any workers a cano, a better than a sicaba manum. So that not taxing Kwan or Segu, my used to be brave. So it is nothing but the continuation of Nanado's vision that they want to implement through Bawumia. So, yes, it is what you are saying, you have a point. Yes, Bawumia may be your darling boy. But Bawumia is not what Ghanaians need right now because ye person niema na Nana Addo asɛ no. Oni nebusua ni nyina twe omo ho na Ghana fo siesie.
Why so for you a vote for Bawumia is a vote for Nana Addo?
A vote for Bawumia is a vote for continuation of Nana Addo and his family.
Really?
I am telling you.
You don't think Bawumia can change the narrative?
He can never be his own man.
There
is nothing he can change. If Bawumia was his own man, Ken Ofori-Atta would never still be in government.
He is not the president.
And I make sure say Oyeni own man, he would have named his own campaign team. He would have chosen his own running mates by now.
But he's named his own campaign team.
Who told you it's Bawumia's campaign team?
Whose campaign
Bawumia campaign team? No. That is the Achim Mafia campaign team.
The campaign team now also
see. Nana Addo campaign team. I want Yama Bawumia no.
How?
I don't know. I said no crowd. One person Rebecca.
No, it's not about no crowd. It is your no crowd. I will catch them.
Debbie, look at it. Bawumia okopre.
You're telling me as if I said you have an intel privy. I am not privy.
Yes, that's why I'm director of special duties and operations.
And omo nyina no ye. Now they said Nana Addo
Prince.
He has not been on good terms with Nana Addo. But so committees
has not been in good terms with Nana Addo and some of the people around the management of the economy because Sabi, first say he should have been given something in this government. I am farmer.
Really?
Yes, that's what I see. But then he feels now somebody is paying attention to him vis-a-vis Abia through Bawumia. So okay, then let me speak well for him. Maybe he will do something different. But I'm telling you, Bawumia can never be his own man.
So when PNM says, let's give Bawumia a chance, if he say,
he is giving another chance.
Too little, too late.
Very late. Omanhene, Bawumia ever starting the flag bearership campaign, named one person on the campaign list, no oye against him.
But why would you also want to?
I am just...
Mebao.
President Mahama. President Mahama. Uwini campaign. Oba Ashanti region to Obia. Ono hwa nenam. Kojo Bonsu. Dr. Kwabena Dufour. Oni omo nenam. Anything concerning the manifesto committee, anything far economy hu nyina, they consult Yura. Dr. Kwabena Dufour. Ade na Nana Addo. Sorry. Bawumia. O name ne campaign team Sabi so pe unity. Na nye Nana Addo. Nipa on fa de enchentia. Nkafo say all the contestants baako pekora mfa ni we.
Contestant baako kra nim.
Why? Omo call last 5 no why na kan.
Kojo Poku.
Why? I don't know how to draw.
Kojo Poku nsafua.
Or draw.
I will can last 5.
Me say last 5.
Okay.
Ajaku sabi Ajaku kra.
Ajaku. Onka ho.
Oka ho oi.
Akoto.
Oi.
Adenimo.
Onko do mu penani ma hwe. So I am it is the same still vindictive style of Nana Addo on fa bone nche no eno na implement am Bawumia. So Bawumia is nothing but the third term of Nana Addo. Nana Addo tifie okay fashe ha o say yes sir. Fashe ha no aboni tirinku fashe ha.
Why do you see Bawumia like that?
Well, that is how he has been throughout. That is what Bawumia has been throughout because he's the first vice president, finance minister, kwa kind budget, no sorry no dinechi. What will be that?
Oh, it's allowed.
Who?
And the normal circumstances.
No, Mimi who be there in the First Republic.
So probably it could be a style.
No,
but at the end of the day,
not a style. It is because he's following his master.
Oh no, Pacho Timmy. Enka. The normal trend crowd say. I was say, and vice president Krano, if we were running a British style idea, he should be in parliament even defending his policies.
What I mean is that vice president as chairman of the economic management team, if he was his own man, the finance minister would have been reporting to him. Then he goes to talk to the president. But in this case, he rather reports to the finance minister, and the finance minister goes to
who reports to the finance minister?
That is what Bawumia does. It is the family that controls him. It is what the family wants that he implements, that he does. And I make sure I will say, when we want somebody and money the benefit of the doubter, it could have been either your friend is a Canadian Japan, Adenimo. Akoto. And then Oh, so that is his acronym. Akutu tops all. That's the acronym. That's the acronym for. Also, it is just, let's just state the fact, sir. You Ghana for nyina say there be ya bre nanado. Nti nanado mfsesa ne niema nyina ne ne ba omi nyina nko nchen.
A lot of people might not have heard exactly what PNM said. Let me reiterate and repeat it. Said a bear amanfo be hu at some point ya PNM kan ya nti for say ni editu na basa ne sere wa.
I don't think Baumia is trying to detach himself from it. The message I get from Dr. Baumia is that, look, I was helping my president. President has a lot of advisors, league presidents, his own family, members of cabinet. You are the vice president, you chair the economic management team. You know, it's not advisory. Everybody in Ghana is an advisor to the president. But the job of the vice president is chairman of the police council. So security is part of you. Chairman of the economic management team is part of you. It's part of your job. But in spite of that, you don't take decisions and implement them. You are supporting the president. So whatever the president decides, that this is what I'm doing, that's what he's doing. So let's give Baumia the benefit of the doubt. That what he's saying is not that, this thing is succeeding and therefore I was there. The economy is not succeeding, I'm not there. I don't think that's what he's saying. He said, you'll never see me as number one on my own team. Give me an opportunity and see. Baumia came up with 70 ideas how he was going to run the economy. Trimming down the size of government. That's I take to heart. That he's prepared to be able to do. And if he's able to do that, expenditures will come. The big problem of this economy is the size of government. You know, people are talking about, 24-hour economy. I don't understand. What is it? We don't even have electricity for one shift. Where are we going to get electricity for 3 shifts? We started the idea of a 24-hour economy. I was Minister of Finance. We told PWD, all the repairs, you do it in the night, okay? The traffic will move. When they started doing that, the managers were refusing to go and so I didn't have electricity to go around, don't have the security to go around, okay? So let's think through everything carefully and say, what can we do now? You know, some of the ideas that Baumia is coming up with, value addition and all that. Let's give him a chance.
Okay. Back to the studio. For saying wrap up for me.
Omanhene.
Why we are memo a deep fufro. But you out to the make
a choice. Means no name.
And yes, who is a miss. And Papa Biwai, we have told the story of Accra Academy. Now, teacher, you know, agree to a friend of Quadas. And Oba Kumasi. And I bet to just at that time now, Accra Kumasi Kwano School. Tonight was staff meeting to a late. And I'm on for so the message bus here say accident is Accra Road. Now, accident is Accra Road. Nana Quadas Soka a car no. Afọ mo ye meeting nwumrebe 8 omo dwendwene ho akoya asema na say kwada so nya ne bus ofro ye no afọ oba na omo si o who bo omo tikau. Who is it? Or see the late kwada so only ma de kro say late kwada so no nche say why late oba meeting omo so atiase say bibi ato no enti obi afrizi ena ba kunya nkodo who is it the kwada so obo mo na roof obo mo na pumem also I am here. I'm saying, but why would you say le kwada so I'm late for the meeting? As a bro Fuedu to why we adako the late SMLs what did I make catch out pacho make asa ho ha bra ma baka jo say oba ha no ma we house me bulu. You're supposed to be here by 8:30. We say near to 2 abasane sre. Oh. I'm having coffee saying no wrap it up. I can't cut him like that.
Yeah, I think say in short, another thing so.
Now I'm afraid I'm who did piano.
I'm just explaining his things.
But 24-hour economy no the work can. Me tell for sending a piano with Tim and I'm saying, hey. And this is for a game changer. And a piano no be poo poo.
He doesn't understand the whole policy. This is
oh my goodness.
See, we're implementing digitization. And I'm a boy. Why one district, one factory. Why a kwanya wagana nyina or why a kwanche aban bia waba. This government, you see any aye doom so say da on us over doom so say they need electricity problem cra. That's also why you remember when you know because okay, factories now we see no me be man aye 24 hours why do you have a problem with it?
Wow, they say.
Also why digitization why you be you know so okay, why digitization fine. Passport office birth and death office DVLA office say me find the penny bia kan ho no ma ye adwuma throughout the night. O say enye practicable. Why ya kwan ya wo ha nyina na yes okay sadia mema police fo adoso mefa police fo ni bia kan ho no ma bo adwuma ye fo ni bi ho ban sadia be ya ye betimi aye adwuma throughout the night yemba mbe wiewia nkrofo transportation betimi akwa patrols be koso o say maintain that. So where are all the infrastructure in Yama Mokaso Maye Nina? How have they done it? So also why you sign him away now? Why you one district, one factory, why you be BAV? Yes, okay, factories now are sitting here, but man, I 24 hours. So why should you have a problem?
All right, hold it there for me. Let me go to SL Mills. Kwame Piani spoke and said, Dr. Mahumi has 70 policies. Ghanaians should give him a chance. He said, until 24-hour economy, I say. Na ba umia nkase obabe enne nana danko Kufuado sona address no so ewo honomo contractors osre na onti omoka ansana we free adwaso na omo ho kire wo mo things and many more here mami nti ominia
you
I hope when you were coming you listened.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brian mama nchia ona menchia atiefo na memoshi nko yempeso aso nhia so na memfa nchia kese so ama isha esufo nyinara Brian just a umpese obeka no kre sebi adia ye hu dadade ye mo kompo enkonkoshe ye wura Kwame Pianim minim se ye ka aman hyehyeye yesika semadwadi semu a Ghana ha wo ye mpanimfo a omoso ejina abrane pa
no correct
na se papa no se bi yesi de panimu ba bi a se panimu ti ho a ade a wo
no jana beti kra
wo ye abofra na akogina onyina tenten ko mu kra na unhunu enti de NDC for ene Fuseni eye enya menwawa and wo hwe abatahare so a omodi atiasimu a sisi omo abeka yewura Kwampiani di na akwakobo yewura baumia ho a omu twabo no na wonim se akwakwesi jai papa no na wo kasa ahwe a obetumi aconvince enkrofo Brian omampani da mahama enye se yini no Ghana ni bia enim no enti onye ade foforo oye bancha ediko dwa so a ya nto a obeko niguo enti wuntumi musa se wo banche we die maame ho ide na ase free ne sa banche dada no ara asem no nyina ne se ye ma chichiri ya Brian
yes sir
ye frey ho oman afi de ye fefe developing country die akukura hwiase de da bia no ebi kan na mra ye pagya ye hwiase no na no so boaye ema ye nyini fi so oman bia atumi anyini bia no wamfa no toten saa akukura hwiase saa enti Ghana so de aduru ho a sara enete na asem no nyirara ene se NDC for mente wonase because it's like mo asem kura mo de ba be kan kire Ghana for no muntumi ntirikirim enti ade a wo mpekura ne se obi di superior argument ebeba omampani da ma me ono no ara ana emra na Ghana mrante ne mabawa esu friend say omampani sebi wadawro ma eburu wona yesu a yesu hwewa yenisuo ba enti mayadwuma enye sa papa na o se onye magician onye krufasa na wakwa akofa adwuma de abre Ghana from rante enti ye sa former president na onye krufasa no and even or standing ko do say university lecturers no omo titi school for no man titi omo ye ne kwa omo kwa akofa adwuma no man kwa anko omo anya bia na ono no omo de ba be hye no yes university o se ye ntete emrante no mabawa omo ye employable
okay.
He said
our curricula does good. Not bring out employable.
Good. Emrantena yatiti omu school mono. And you see, nana dwene ni nyina na say because Samrantena mabawa yatiti omu no. Yantiti omu ye se obetu bi omu aye adwumenti no. Adwuma kra de ni kwa so mokope bi kra. Me pa to so ate ase o. Yesa ni omampani dada no asem ena ye ken. Sa omampani dada ma ye ya. Emre bi eduru say ye friend no say wadawru meburu kane dumso na ama enyuman kuma ene adantamu mako mpem aduanan 44,000 small scale businesses in this country na collapse right I say mimi no mi oni ye phone ye charge no eno na ema electricity yenya bi enti ye jai ye phone charge a you bring electricity the amount nipa close to 880,000 people no mo ye adwuma ewo sa small scale industries through dumso ono transfer no omo nyina kokotena fie so he's the same person and that is why I am not surprised NDC4 you see they are struggling to explain their own policy and I am there only because you bring out a policy. A tirana organizer number be say kwa koton krate wo kwa ho. Onwa nipa na mo say a policy no. Onu nya akwa ko gina the biggest employees association trade unions. Omu ko busa no oso onu kra de say want to be sure omu bobia so ba be bibia. Na emu ba o man time no nko oni mun kakra. Onya akwanya wokogina NDC fo anim a ono mudi nkomo no o say the biggest intervention o de bre NDC fo na when wo de man party fo wa oti abonten de ba de na o de bre o so obama mu nkukobu wa mo nkukoma wa mo aduane na wo mo kokoyen a wo ton kokko no kosua na wo de abom enya me na me kan so it tells you how bad their own policy wo so wo de ba be solve me no problem no etie and let me tell you see se wope abaya ana political party woye anti business ogun krofo adwuma oseye adwuma ene adwuma ye ne ye wokro no asena this for how can you destroy businesses and you tell Ghana and say you are the creator of a business well me wakata do ha sakratawi 1997 19th to 21st December seminar on diversity of state-owned enterprises at the Volta Hotel Akosomo. Keynote addressed by Right Honorable Justice D.F. Annan, Speaker of Parliament. Now sema hunkura say the point 7 we are virtual or say time one NDC for your margin say enuma Kwame Nkrumah ya na ye de ano na ye close to 257 na ye de ano omo sheda shemra samra no mo she ni samra no mo she ni omo sheda shemra say enuma ye beto no Ghana ha no nyina ye Ghana ban de ano ye nton no nyina mfa ma nkrankra
diversity implementation
omo ton ni nyina
DIP
eye abanya ono ye na dwede say adwuma ye Ghana for dia na me de asimani so meton ni nyina na magiska and ti asema okay point 7 any
DF Annan the late
Privatization has thus been a focal point of discussions and major policy objective in Ghana since late 90s. As someone can know, major policy NDC for so. In the case of Ghana, a number of public enterprises, including Ashanti Goldfields Company Limited, has been privatized. The $454 million sale of AGA Limited places it firmly on world privatization map. Sir, AGC na Ghana for the ya ton 454 million. Inti yani aje sesika woman to me amu konta. Diversity for omo mo kwotana se e kwa hye mra se ye ba beton Ghana japade ne ya ton se de esi ton no. Wo ko section 15 of diversity hwe adwembone a na wan disi foot o say head no indemnity against court proceedings. An action shall not be brought, and a court shall not entertain a proceeding against the Republic, the committee, or a member of the council or an officer of the committee in respect of an act of omission or omission arising out of the disposal of interest under this consideration. Echirese. Yani aye kokko transia. Implementation. Yani ya ton Ghana japade nyina no. Makoto bia kra enso says will be the assembly be no money more. In this NDC 40 way. All the state agencies enterprise so muton nyina no. AGC, Abuaso, glass factory, tomato factory, no omuton nyina no. In sawam cannery no. NDC for ahemra e wo Ghana constitution mo say ma obi amfa nipa ba akokura nkonko gina court sa de no me ye nipa pa na
so alentina Jacob for the sawam cannery or the kwado ajima ko gina court.
Sir emra no enu ni you see
entina tentes emra ni di na enye yi
no no you a political party consciously your madwene say be Ghana form. So Brian ma musu asem globally amaya no mu competing nyina no hwan and almost started industrialization at the year 2000 and 2010
almost 18th centuries.
Good. So nanka enkroma de yesi a good platform sanka from the 60s when me say sanka sa 1960s industrialization no yes a nanka the world industrialization the modern industrialization and no esa in the 1930s you know now we were just late 30 years. We were just late 30 years. So all the investment we did in the 1960s to 1990, NDC decided to collapse it. They collapsed everything for us. So I do appreciate the difficulty Ghanaians are going through now. But the point is that say yanka asemno answer chire na anka nchromo bonia NDC for di oma we here. You see, if it would have been any country, NDC wouldn't have had the opportunity to become even a political party. I'm telling you. And these people parade themselves, say they are the messiahs. Sure. 24 hours now, or they also they ban me. But the point is that when they come to sitting down to craft ideas on how to bring policies and implement it, NDC have shown over and over, say, as for them, they don't have it. And Ubeka National Health Insurance, Moses Sasaga was the leading convener. I know watch Ghana for the National Health Insurance, and your Papa Ghana for he taught across the country, going seminars. By National Health Insurance, Brian, under NPP National Health Insurance, Brian. What agencies say what Ghana hire by there? And one of the agencies are employ Ghana for more.
Yeah, it's true.
We are Ade na NDC for a solution. Cash and carry. It solved it. Anameboa. Good. It solved two problems. Yeah. But look at NDC's alternative on National Health Insurance. One-time premium. We will review it. Almost the NSS what the bar. Oh yeah, they won't have any. But I say this you there. Like free senior high. Time on another year now you say all bohun de uru. Actually, Ghana for say we can do it. One, almost say in Kietumi anka Nkrumah na ye. But Kukura Sabe we say, oh, just 30 years after.
The late.
Was it J.S. Annan or what?
No. The former Leo Kran.
Good. But time was
20 years.
Good. Time was all cancer 20 years. You know, in 2015, no. 3 years and another Danko Kufa Dubai, he started implementing senior high. Or good. But after 3 years, no one say, "Is possible?" Say, the mantra of NDC: review. You don't know how to bring it, but you know how to review it. No problem. Right now, all that you need, I will bet to me, I take it off as industrialized country, right? You need to build your skills. Skills acquisition, because they say we share in Numanuma through vehicle assembling plants. Brian, if you don't consciously build the skills of this youth, you will bet the
this is 93.1 FM,
but you will not get Ghanaians benefiting from it. And that is why from the basics, let us bring a policy.
This is Sompa 93.1 FM.
The basic knowledge acquisition, which is free senior high. Now that we are talking, we have over 2.5 million people haven't benefited from a free senior. So, training further skills acquisition. No, right? Digitalization. Let me tell you. Almost sorry, no mark fiber optic. Go 2007 August. Kofo Ekate sword for major fiber optic project to Hanum mean
over 80 million.
Good. And they sit there telling people
Mama's own was 37 million.
37 million.
For the voter.
Good. And even it was even part of Kofo's second development. 190. 190.
I know of 81 million.
Yes.
For
I tell you.
But the second part you are talking about, I am not privy. John Mama's own was Danish government.
When somebody starts a project, now the BB Susua. And you see, me chop for near how NDC is because your time wako for SSRD now NPP, NDC. So PNDC has governed this country for 19 years. But it took Kofo's groundbreaking mindset, vision. Say, let me start bringing this fiber optic infrastructure.
Okay.
That is what I'm saying.
Okay.
And they say, having built a digital infrastructure, having connected every sector of this economy.
Okay.
Having brought Africa continental free trade zone. Ghana is ripe to take off. And the NDC for there, once all these things are there, the say. But to sit down, invest time, energy, thoughts, ideas. Say we creating something that is not there to bring it to bear. NDC is oblivious of it.
All right.
That is what you have. Ghanaians are listening to you because badly and terribly they are unable to connect their thoughts as far as the 24. They are so-called terrible 24.
Husseini, in the next 5 minutes on the Sona, what are your expectations?
I'll come to the Sona quickly.
Okay.
But Obi Ohwa, Wama Ghana for Bre. Wama Ghana Konechi 50 years. It is the MPP and their UP fathers. Omune Kochi Ghana Koyechi 50 years. Abrana Nkrumah Peja ya bedru baby. And Omo fathers Numbi. Any CIA Koye Baku two Nkrumah Bangu ye. It was the UP that came and decided say Nkrumah Juma was establishing na until a champion buyer best started reviving some of the companies. Any champion a bit pamu sebi omombe Ghana koye. Those were the people Busi anomne Akufo-Addo papa no mo omune collaborate ye e pamu Nkrumah abrana ode Ghana si ye die kwaso. These were the people and no Babeka democracy one enye JJ Adaroma enka Fourth Republic nke da so ho. it was the NDC PNDC a moka say ebusuefo no ye kora na ehun said there be yen sanfa Ghana ko democratic rule ye kwa constitution of Ghana ye nuanu we mu o mama People's Assembly UP for amo Satan kra no ma for MPP o man si ho say
they were calling for constituent assembly.
It tells you the kind of people they are.
And
independent from
consultative assembly.
Me say Nkumako pre-independent now for Ghana. They opposed it. These people.
Independence in the foreseeable future.
That is no.
Is that a really?
And what is the anchor of the free SHS? And you get funder NDC. I drink a see ye de buy. And you know, sabi ye pay sikagu omu buy omu se
led by Gabra.
Yes. Sa omu so called stem na for omu for free ye. And you rolling started science resource centers in every district. And the Rollins bus now toy yellow no. Ebi da so ye adwuma bepem. Every district enjoyed a well-equipped physics, chemistry, biology lab. Sa tobas kesi aka ho. Eno na mo behwe so a na mo se mo yes STEM. Ene. Omo bua ye ma ye tu nkuruma gu ye ne ba bedi ade so. Wansan ba mbegu banks nyina. Wan ba mbegu banks ni small your friend is saying small loans and all microfinances wan mbegu bebre. Over 300 of them. Ogu no.
No.
Enye William Ofuria Taba your friend say na do sabe e di ade ne back no Ofuria Tan so be di ade na yes every unti so okoton wa no ma ye pomo ma bogana abropa it is this particular eno na nyame ncha de ne ba sa be di ade a wada o musu na di bioma kire Ghana fo unti na Ghana fo se ye mpamo because ye kan mo collapse niema telecommunication Enye John Mahama Daruma Rollins Penso I know your communication minister and a telecommunication liberalization e ba Ghana. It was during John Mahama's time as communication minister. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You forgot to say he became a minister even. Nirefi. Oh no, mechro. Minia. Ye ka omo ye peja Ghana ebedu sampempensu ya it is the NDC. Ye nuanum de nyina ne se ye mbra mbe fom sika ne yendi efise ye fo se Ghana no ye japade Ghana for de ye ka nti ye ba ye mfom ye nchema ye man Omanhene. Yes, John Mahama started free SHS date level. He started building over 200 your friend say community schools. According to Mahamuna Pokrani, ye over 46 of them. And others were at various stages of completion. Intiseka uye ubia upesa uye adi ya ubaye no misramu John Mahama schools ni na ye wie ne ntem sebi drobonsu de kra ye wie nka posting kola akra abram wanya ne sa nhwehwe ni munti usen kola ni nyina nko me ye no double track. Na se John Mahama ka se debut ade no se de yesi ye no enne na wo ka wo ha se ade na yesi free no ne awofo every time bi omoboka abese or every year bi omoboka 40 million sikadada 40 million no kra ye sabi schools in Kitwa no na uko schools akese de bi boka over 6,000 na sabi computer atamo ba kwa akoto bunkpurugu yoyo na wo pe kwan se wo de ne beba sabi kumase no eno kro wa mo kakura na nya wo be se 10,000 ansana wasa ye some friends say replacement to say when you eno so kra ekoso pa.
So what's the NDC's
and now our review is that let's quickly finish most of the infrastructure within the school. Ntina John Mahama say oba niema ye nuanom de omo sakeka no sope eja ho nyina he will complete them in the first your friend is saying 24 months. Inti agenda 111 omo de akwa ABCC form omo akwa dwi form ebio the lentil omo sheda do omo sakeka niema no sope sa no meja ho. We will make sure we complete all those things. Ye ba ye na double track ni ye twam. Otemase so that you make things easy. Say the beya niema bi ti say oti adwira na ji say ye di ebro every buffer stock and a different cry and the bro adwira ansa na wanu aduane amankola di no ye betwam
the beggars themselves will be able to buy food locally.
Yay, beggars.
What am I saying? You to be any local into Tinubu akobia for mudu drobon so no makoto maburu. Sana ne ye ne dada. Sabe nentwe begu ho na me pepe so ye ku o ma na aso de abra Tinubu akobia for. That is all we're doing. And so ene ubedi bibia just say the free cran e de bro obetwa sanye manimina. You buy the things that locally aduane e wo musugu area ho no eno na mbeto de didi. And then
finally
as I speak to you now, nurses and midwives are more complete 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. They are all still in the house.
So it goes back like a backlog that you left.
No.
Also leaving some.
You see, and I make sure say know the kind of people they are.
All right. I'm around check.
Unim. Ameka semcho.
Catch me.
NDC ne Fuseni. Ose omampeni dada mama isi 200 community
or shares or anything or yes OC 200.
Okay.
No to me we 45 according to Napo.
That's
46.
Enya no correct. No nya 46. They left a document. Say omo we 57. In their handing over note. They left a document say yeah we 57. So or hand over the man no. That is what he said. But omu call unfailed auditing no. Now they had actually completed 28. And I'm a boy. Brasa we are away. So why do you say that's on to
you said Robinson we say
you see Mami Kasamcho.
That's what they were doing. Omu kola nkwala ni ma omu say uncompleted.
To mean coordinate o policy thought well. Obekwa akosi school, community school. E wo drobon so. Say wo wi nkwara nkom without thinking say baby esi no just say we provide accommodation the man nkwara. And that has been our challenge. Secondary school bay and andanana danko akufuado. Any yewura Mahmoud Bawumia. Who say ye buy add the infrastructure to it. The esi wani su KSCS ko ho. Sa classrooms any hostels are ho a ye bigger than community day school na work no. And I'm a boy, you are aware. But we feel say you can continue to expand the existing infrastructure. And as I'm a boy, that is what we've been saying. Uko poku area. Existing infrastructures are building wo ho no. Etumisi community day schools 3. But once you expand the infrastructure of the existing schools, you are good to go. Right? Mami ka sem tro me call secondary school. E ka me ma me born wo me no ma atoto ho no. Let's say school fees amikotua. Unless you don't want to be truthful. So one person be kind of class na be kan. E ka me ma me boy time wa e admit me foforo no. Or to trunk or to atade we or to mpaboa we ye kwa akopa me trouser ye kopa matade ye kwa akoto sugar ye kwa akoto we ye kwa akoto we ye koto Tom Brown ye kwa akoto gari ni we say no Brian me ko school no za school fees na metua ye no ne nuru enoma me maame etoto ye kra sa se maame kan early 90s o early 90s. So for me what catch them say free SHS ama school boy ayedina onim baby a give NDC away. He spoke about reviewing. Reviewing. Did you hear him saying say eno mana awo for to toma omo nkwara no ye de beche omo free? Did you hear him saying that?
Yes, I'll say baby to say double track on here free. Good.
So why should a car or ni airbo and then about Akko school should come under free SHS review? How does it come in? Oh, it's like say a car my young father be a bit eliciting for emotions. I'm who say a free SHS na ma trunk na wo kwakota na bonten no ne bo ayeden. A free SHS na ma sa singlet na wo kwota ma oba no ne bo ayeden. But you betumi atra wi ase am a political party bi I say. Let me tell you. they have a history, so I'm catching say free SHS, no, a scam, a 419. And I'm a boy. Like a movement organizer, a catching in as a drones, a baby, Juma Hanumono. Yeah, the baby chucha mahunfuni. But we are not deterred. Brian, we will continue to invest in Ghana's future. Because I'm no me, say, I near home. I'm fire near Ghana future more. That's it, your and that is why Omo flag bearer mama Ekojina baby will say so 4 billion Ghana cedis on fanko free SHS.
2 billion.
2 billion on fanko free SHS. Name one day or the Bekwa koye sada. That's what I say.
That's a
good. Or the Bekwa ko paint bas ho edit nitri ato. So if you would not invest that 2 billion in free SHS, what are you going to use it for?
So one can do the
good. And obi power. So I saw
what he said was if you have 2 billion, will you use all that money for free SHS?
You see, and Kenya dream bonia. Mami kasem tro. Yeah, me no me future. Right. Me no me future. E was saying ka Ghana ye nsika ye nya no. Ye invest even close to 15% into our future. They are our future leaders.
Wrap up for me.
Now we will say, adwini o ma hwe ye wo bia osore a ne mate fie school fees kro omunye ntua wo o de sika no bekọ akotena ba no awi sika no ba obi so aye na adwini say oni sika kro bebo bo sia de ahwe ne ma because man no da ache. So all that I'm saying is between NDC and
all that you are saying again.
Yeah. Between NPP and NDC. The difference is clear.
Thank you very much. Let me do my birthdays and let's go.
Mommy's here.
Happy birthday to Mami Efia Boahima Kwache Ejakwa Humpty Dumpty School from your mom Krobia Asantua Papa B. Another lovely wife, Angel of Browo, from your husband, GHNIT of Edum, Pastor C.A. to 4, from Astonic of Aguna to you, Pastor C.A. to 4. Today is your birthday. To my daughter, Yaw Amoa of Atlanta, from your Mama G of Atlanta, Abigail of Sompa FM. Hey, Abi. Now the old chrome. Finishing. Why yeah, my trinkwa. Elianda Usua of Elianda's Closet. Jinya say near Kumasi High School. Elianda, today is your birthday. And then Florence. Your birthday is today. Florence from Ampon. Enjoy your day to the max. To my handsome son, Osborne Ado Dankwa of Goso. Those coming from your mom, Doris Siedu, aka Ajua